Hello, join me as we provide answer to this GCSE question. Can you solve this probability question using combination method? All right, then join me as I use two methods to arrive at the same answer. There are three red counters and five yellow counters in a bag. Jude takes at random three counters from the bag. We have to work out the probability that he takes exactly one red counter or counters from there. Now you can see he's going to have a total of 3 plus 5 counters in the bag. So if he's picking at random, we want to find out he's not picking all the 3 at once. You will pick the first one, you will notice, the second you will notice, and the third. So we want to find the probability that in picking all the 3 out, first, second, third, is going to be only exactly one red. If it is exactly one red, what it means is that the other 2 will be yellow because there are 2 colors we are picking from. So if the first one is red, it means the second and the third is going to be yellow. It could be that the first one will be yellow, then the second will be red, the third will be yellow again because we are picking from 2 possible colors. So let's have that range of probability of picking and not replacing. We pick it out, we don't replace. So when I pick out 1, the total number of counters will reduce from the 8 total to become 7. So the first one is out, we are left with 7. If I pick again, I'll be left with what? 6 in that order. All right. So let's make it this simple. If I'm having total counters, which is going to be the 3 plus the 5, and that will give us what? 8. That's the total counters. So let's just say we are picking the first one. The first one could be red, the second one could be yellow, the third one could be red. If in this order, it means I'm picking 2 red. So it means it could either be red, yellow, yellow, or it could also be yellow, how do you call it? Yellow, red, and what? Yellow. At all costs, only one red, exactly one red. So first is red, second is yellow, yellow. First is yellow, second is red, the last is yellow. Or I can pick yellow first and still pick yellow before picking red. So the probability here, we are using and. This is and. This is going to be and. This is going to be and. Then in all the 3 possible chances, you can see that either I am picking this as the solution, or I am picking this as the solution, or it will be this. All the 3 chances are possible. That brings us to a probability law that used and what? Or. Remember, and is multiplication and or is what? Addition. Let's introduce that in our calculation. So the first one, probability of, let's say, I'm picking red, yellow, yellow, right? So if the first one is red, from the first start, if I'm picking red, probability of red is going to be 3 red out of a total of what? 8. So 3 out of 8 times. The moment the red is gone, I am going to be picking from what? Yellow. How many yellow do we have? We have 5 of them. But the total will decrease because 1 is gone. So I'll be having 7. I guess you get the intro. Alright. Times here. We have taken 1 red out, 1 yellow out. What will be the total number of yellow left? It will be 4. So 4 will be left. 1, 2 is gone out of the total. So we are left with only what? 6. Let me take it again. We are not replacing it back. So if I pick the first one, which is red, the total in the box will still be 8 at that time that I'm picking. Now when I don't replace that, I'm going to be having yellows left. So picking yellow will be 5 out of the total, and that total will reduce from the 8 by 1. That gives us 7. So already we have taken 2 out of the box, meaning the total is no more 8, but rather what? 6. I guess we are on course now. Alright. So let's see how we can simplify this further. I think 3 can go into itself 1. It can go here 2. And these 2 can also go into 4 2 times. So we are left with the numerator will become 5 times 2. That will be 10. Then 8 times 7, I believe we have 56. Right? That's the first one, which we can easily break down to have 2 into 10. That will be 5 times. 2 here, that will be 28 times. So we can still have this as a simplified version. That's the first condition. The other condition could be that the first we pick will be yellow, the second will be red, and the last will be what? Yellow. We are picking 3. Alright. So in the same manner that we pick from the first example, is either this and this and this. So multiplication. So I'll be picking 5 out of 8 here. Then 5 will reduce to 4 if I'm picking this. The yellow will still be, the red will still be 3 because I have not taken any yellow, any red out. Right? Good. So I'll be having red out of, the number has been reduced by 1 from the first pick. So total become what? 7 times yellow. How many yellow will be in the bag now? It will be 4 because 1 has been taken already. So 4 out of how many of the total will be left? That will be 6. So this will also be 6. I guess this will go here 1, go here 2, go here 1, go here what? 2. I think the same calculation. 10 divided by 56, meaning 5 divided by 28. Right? Alright. Then the next possible chance will be picking yellow first, another yellow before picking the red. At all costs, red should be 1. Alright. So in this case, I can see that if I pick 5 out of the box, it will be 8. Then the number will reduce from 5 to 4. Total becomes 7. If I am picking red, the total number of red will still remain 3, but the number will reduce to 6. I think the cancellation will still happen. 3 will go here 1, go here 2. 2 go here 1, go here 2. 2 times this 10. 10 divided by 56 will still give us 5 out of 4, 28. So our probability of picking exactly 1 red. So you can see probability of exactly 1 red is going to be either this or this or this. So I'll be having, let me put it here, 5 on 28 plus 5 on 28 plus 5 on 28. We are adding all. The all mean addition. Then we can see that they are all having the same denominator to become a like fraction. So what do? We only add the numerators. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give us 15. So we're having 15 out of 28. And I'm not sure there is any common factor between the two. So this becomes the final answer. Alright. I guess the concept from the beginning to the end is clear. The next will be the use of combination. And I will do that in the next episode. So don't miss the next episode, the continuation of this, the same question, different method. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.